Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGig webinar series, our endeavor to empower techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we've initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is Web APIs and API management. All you need to know about it, what it is, and what it can do for your organization. Our guest speaker today is Dinesh Shetty, Senior Certified IT Specialist, IBM Software Services, Software Group. Dinesh Shetty has more than 13 years of experience leading SOA and integration architecture projects, IT consulting, and application development, supporting telecommunications, insurance, health, financial, and airline industries. He leads IBM's software services team for IBM API management solutions. He has experience in deploying long-established technologies, Unix, distributed network, and messaging middleware environments. His expertise using leading enterprise service bus technologies like WebSphere Data Power, WebSphere Message Broker, and WebSphere MQ, along with design methodologies like IBM's GS method to effect and accelerate application integration, makes him a highly sought-after resource. His application integration skills and his deep expertise in all the data power and ESB offerings of IBM has enabled him to prepare and deliver comprehensive technical presentations, more than a dozen conferences, and is currently co-authoring an article on deployment process patterns in SOA appliances. His past experiences include writing parser programs in C and test experience in IBM Software Labs, make him a well-rounded professional with both product development and IT consulting. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker. Over to you, Dinesh.
Hey, good afternoon, everyone, or morning or evening from wherever you've joined. My name is Dinesh Shetty, and as Garima introduced me, I'm a Senior Certified IT Specialist, work at the IBM Software Group in the Software Services Organization. So today we're going to be talking about Web APIs. We're also going to be touching upon API management and everything that you would want to need to know about what it is and how it fits into the bigger picture in an enterprise, and lots of other interesting stuff. I'm also going to be showing you some APIs that are there out on the web, and if you have time, I'll also give you a short demo on one of those. All right? So to begin with, I have an agenda with me. What I want to do is I want to introduce the API economy. Right? Everybody knows API stands for Application Programming Interface. That has always been the traditional acronym. But today we're going to be talking about Web APIs and how the connotation or the interpretation of an API has changed over the years. So we're going to be talking about the API economy. We're going to be looking at what are the top APIs today. I want to run you through some of the examples that are very popular, some industry examples, and then we get into the meat of the topic where I actually introduce you the technical terminologies, the roles and the relationships that are there in this ecosystem, right? So I'll run you through REST, an overview of XML and JSON, and I'll talk to you about API management in an enterprise architectural view, right? I'll also give you some information on how do you secure APIs, so this, because